Even though this guitar is in pretty remarkable shape, it still needs quite a bit of work. It's got a ton of stuff wrong with it that needs to be fixed. The nuts must have got, or the nut must have got worn out. A couple of strings, they had to put like paper to shim it. Obviously the neck needs to be reset. I don't know if you can see that. If you put a straight edge on it, it hits almost, it's past the middle of the bridge, so it's way low. It's got quite a belly on it. It's sunk right here. I don't know if anything's loose inside. I haven't gotten inside yet. I guess that's going to be next. Oh, the bridge has no saddle and it's pulled away in the back. So obviously some work there. I'm not sure if it's screwed in with these little inlays here, if they're covers. I haven't delved into that yet. So I'll be back when I have a look inside. I'll show you what's inside of this guitar. Just gonna have a look inside. Take a look at the bracing. There's the bridge plate. There are some mounting screws for the bridge. You can see those. Bridge plate looks okay. Braces. Oh, that one there looks questionable. It looks like it might be separated right there. These all appear to be tight. So far, doesn't look too bad though. So that's what it looks like on the inside. A little bit of brace glue up, and ultimately this neck has to come off. So that's going to be the project. Oh, by the way, I think they have brass frets, which is kind of cool. Something rattling around in this guitar. Haven't been able to fish it out yet. Let's see if I can. I think I know what this is. Aha. The missing piece. It's the saddle. Just gonna go with some warm water and some soap. It looks like the brace actually split. So no glue to clean out. I should be good to just fill that with glue and clamp it. I can see the back is still attached to the top, back of the brace. So that's what I'll do. Let me show you this paintbrush trick. I'm gonna get glue in that brace. Straight brush doesn't fit. So I'm gonna take the tip of the brush off, and I have this piece of tubing that's bent. This fits on perfectly, and it fits in there perfectly. First, I'm gonna get some water in there and clean out any dust, or just moisten the wood is a good idea before you add some glue. And I'm just gonna use, I think I'm just gonna use Titebond on this. So let me go ahead and get that glued up and clamped up, and I'll show you what that looks like when I come back. Okay, I've got my clamp on there, and I don't know if I can get a shot from the inside. You can see that glue squeezing out. I'm going to try to clean that up a little bit and then bring you back when I start to take off this bridge. You can see it's already lifted.